Hi, Don here. Today we're sharing tips to help you choose the right log splitter for your needs. When choosing a log splitter, here's a few things to keep in mind. Now, first up is deciding whether a gas or electric model is right for you. Electric log splitters are light and portable. They produce no exhaust fumes, require minimal maintenance, and can be operated indoors or outdoors. Gas log splitters are designed for heavy-duty use. They're bigger, more powerful, and can be towed for use in remote locations. They require fuel, oil, regular maintenance, and because of gas engine exhaust fumes, can only be used outdoors. Now, the quantity and type of wood being split should also be considered. Keep in mind that fresh-cut wood can be harder to split than dried, seasoned wood, and some species, such as oak or maple, are also tough to split. If you're cutting these types of wood, or more than half a cord, a gas-powered splitter is your best option. A few safety tips to keep in mind when using any log splitter. Wear proper protective equipment, such as gloves, safety glasses, hearing protectors, long pants, and closed-toe footwear. Never run a gas splitter indoors. Do not split logs across the grain. And do not use log splitters for anything but wood. Let us know in the comments below what features you look for in the log splitter.